Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you why you can't send or accept a friend request on Facebook. Facebook recommend adding people you know personally as friend on Facebook. You may not be able to add someone as a friend if they haven't accepted your friend request yet. You may have already sent them a friend request. Check if the friend requests you have sent are still pending. You or the person you want to add have reached the friend limit. You can have up to 5,000 friends on Facebook. If you need to connect with more than 5,000 people, you can change your personal account to a Facebook page. If you want to send another friend request, unfriend someone else first. If they have following enabled, follow them instead. You will still be able to see their public posts. You won't be able to accept a friend request from someone who has reached 5,000 friends. For example, if you had 10 friends requests waiting on approval, but 2 of them were from people who reached 5,000 friends, after sending the request, you would only see 8 friend requests. If those people were to drop under 5,000 friends, then the request would be shown. You or the person you want to add can only get friend requests from friends of friends. One of you may have set your privacy settings to get friend requests only from friends of friends on Facebook. Ask them to send you a friend request instead or change your privacy settings. The friend request was deleted. Send them a friend request or ask them to send you one instead. Friends, that was our short informative video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for being with the tutorial lab.